if you use my link, you will get for free £50 or €50 of free, no strings attached, no credit cards, shipping credit, just to test this new platform, SENDCLOUD. And I've used it now for over a month and it's really good. So for example, I want to show you a very cool option. Apart from shipping, they also do returns. So if your customer has to return something, wants to return something, you just create a new return, add all the details, and this could be presets, so you don't need to repeat them too often. You will get the price for the carrier you have selected, and you just send the label to the customer or print the label. Fairly straightforward. Okay, so once you have signed up with my link, I want you to go to settings, and then if you want, you can actually look at the plans. So free forever, that's what you could use. You go to financials and you click on shipping credit, and you should see here your €50 or £50. If you're in the UK and you don't see £50, just euros, after a few minutes refresh the page, it should be £50. Okay, then you go to integrations and you can integrate your shops, so Amazon or eBay. Also there are a few other options, as you can see, but with the free plan you can only connect 2 shops. For me that's enough. As you can see, the list here is quite long and they will be adding more. Then you could create defaults for your printing. I have a labels printer, the 4x6 thermal printer, and SENDCLOUD, this platform, also gives a nice application that allows printing even faster. Okay, the other thing is you can create your shipping default, so it's quicker for you. Then you can go to carriers and pricing to see what's going on. Enable the carriers you want to use, or disable if you don't want to use others, just to, you know, to make it easier for you to use them later on. Addresses, so return addresses, pickup address, etc., etc. You can also create contacts, boxes. There is a price calculator if you want to see how much it will cost you to send something. And then some of the rules, like some of the options like return rules or shipping rules, they're available if you upgrade. Okay, so the next thing you do, you basically create your shipping. So once you have integrated your shops, the orders should be there. So let's have a look. I have an order here, and it contains errors. Well, simply because there is some information missing. So I can edit that, and I can check here what is it that they don't like. So they say this order contains errors, the address field. So it doesn't like the address. So I need to go to the customer and see what is not right with the address, and just correct it. So it doesn't like that there is, you know, I don't know, the street here is missing or something. A fairly easy thing to correct. Okay, so I moved the street name to the first line, and now it's fine. What else? I can check the items, and I can check now the options here. So my item is above 2 kilograms. That's the order value, and I can add the dimensions here. Okay, so I have added the dimensions, and I just click save, and that's done, and it's ready to process. So I can select this or select all the orders, create labels. Now, this is important. Before you create your first label, your first shipment using your shipping credit, you need to set up a direct debit, at least in the UK. It will be something like this. Just fill in your details and submit. Wait a few minutes, refresh the page, and now you should be able to use your shipping credit. Do not submit the direct debit twice. If something doesn't work, simply contact the customer service. They will sort you out after a day or two. And if you decide to actually upgrade, buy any plan, you will be asked then to use a debit card, and you will not need to set up any direct debits. Now it's going to generate the label for me. I choose A6 because I'm using the thermal label 6x4, and I just click print, and I've got this application installed, as I said, so my thermal printer is now printing the label. Let's have a look. And we've got the label nicely printed, ready to go. Another thing worth mentioning is that once you have created the labels, the orders are automatically updated on eBay and Amazon as shipped with all the tracking information, so you don't need to do that at all, which is obviously very, very helpful. You can track your orders, so I've got those delivered, I've got the tracking numbers to check. For the created labels as well, there is a tracking number, so I can always see what's going on. I can preview those orders and see what's been happening. So it's a very, very useful platform. By all means, just use this, use my link, check this platform. They really want you to use it. They want to promote themselves, and hopefully you will benefit from it. And you know, £50, €50 free credit. It's a, you know, very good amount of money, yeah? So enjoy it, take care.